So this is the official unboxing video of our first brochures.
Yeah.
After 1 week of worrying if they're gonna arrive on time before we go to Dublin, they arrived actually in the morning. So let's see what's up. Here I have some trash. I'm gonna do a proper unboxing video, explain each one step, even if it doesn't matter. Now I'm cutting the holder, and now I'm removing
Do it
it.
fast, man, I cannot wait.
Okay.
You have to do a slow-mo opening of the box.
Did you cut your nail properly?
Let's see.
No bad words in the video. It's done.
This is glued.
You have to turn it, flip it. Yeah! More boxes. Yeah! They are folded.
Man, and they're pretty goddamn nice.
Do a opening.
Nice. Love them.
Nice.
Awesome.
Backside motion.
I love the smell.
Look what a handsome guy here.
Yeah.